and welcome to Ouroboros Automotive. My name is Logan, and today what we're going to be talking about is the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. And the reason why I'm talking about a 2014 Jeep Cherokee on a show that's supposed to be about things you guys don't know is because this is not just the normal Jeep Cherokee that you would see, the WK2, but it is the Jeep Cherokee XJ that had stopped production in the United States in 2001. So, how did we end up with a 2014 Jeep XJ? Well, the main way that we ended up with this is actually out of a deal between American Motors and the Chinese government. So American Motors and Renault, and by default will become Chrysler, ended up with a deal where China could produce the Jeep XJ or Jeep Cherokee in their home country. So there's actually a couple of different model names that it was known by. You had the BJ 7250, which is the rear-wheel drive. You had the BJ 2021, which was the four-wheel drive. Then they also ended up calling it the Jeep 2500 and the BJ 2500. So, the key thing about the two-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive being in China was actually that the roofline was raised in the back because the Jeep Cherokee was actually meant to be a chauffeur car. So, it was more like a high-end taxi than anything else. So in 2009, the Chinese government, through Beijing Auto Works, actually decided to do a little bit of updating to the Jeep Cherokee, or to this XJ. And what you ended up with was the Night S12, is what it was called. And this gave a new front fascia, as well as a newer interior, an updated interior, to the more dated 1984 design that we had here in the United States. There were quite a few other small differences between what we had in the States versus what they had in China. And one being that there were other engines offered than just the 2.5 liter or the 4 liter. Actually, at one point in time, you could get one with a 4G64 in it, which is a 2.4 liter four-cylinder that was made by Mitsubishi and is found in the Mitsubishi Eclipse, the Outlander, the Hyundai Santa Fe, the Hyundai Sonata. It's found in a lot of vehicles, and this 2.4 liter is actually the bigger brother to the Mitsubishi Eclipse 4G63, and it all falls into the same family. Now we're going to get into the part of the video where I talk about how do we make one here in the United States. And the biggest problem that you find with trying to make one here in the United States is that China does not export any of the parts for this Jeep, so there's no real way to get the updated interior or front fascia. I think it'd be kind of cool to run with it. It's not really my style. I don't think I'd run it on my XJ, but if I had another XJ, yeah, I might slap it all in there just to make it kind of a unique thing. But sadly, again, this is one of those ones that we're just not going to be able to find here in the United States. But that's all I have for you guys this week. I know that some of you guys follow me mainly for my repairs I do on my Jeep Cherokee and the modifications I do on my Jeep Cherokee, so I thought this would be a fun little video to do. But thanks again for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you guys want to show your support, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and if you guys want to pick up any of your own personalized Jeep merch, or if you guys just want to show your support and get some, help me build this channel, go hit the link, pick up a shirt, pick up a hat, order some stickers, and thanks again for joining me, and I will catch you guys later.